Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan Trendline all-wheel drive. Under the hood we have a 2-liter i4 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black. You got that Volkswagen badging up front with your lights right there. Coming around the side here we do have our tires, so they are Pirelli brand tires with our 17-inch rims. We also have your heated exterior mirrors with the turning signal on them, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you do have the TSI badging as well as your Volkswagen and your Tiguan badging. You can open it up just right here. Looks fantastic back here, tons of room. You got some extra storage on the sides here. You can lift this guy up as well with your spare tire underneath. And those guys do fold down the seats in the front, giving you even more room. And this guy does protect so people can't see what you have back here. We got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock. We got our lock up there. That one opens up the back, and we do have our panic there, as well as this button does flick out your key there. Now let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here and here. You got some storage right down here, and it looks awesome in here as well. The cloth seats are very comfortable. It is very spacious as well. You do have the controls over your lights, so you have your auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as you do have your fog lights here. And then right up here, we do have the controls over the turning signals and our high beams. Okay, let's start up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Now right in the center, it does tell us the temperature outside, and then it does also tell us how many kilometers we have, which is 20,000, not too bad at all. Now you can switch that around in the center there, so right now you do have your kilometers, and you do have all that, and you can switch it around to your speed, distance, travel time, your range, economy, and then you also have your oil temperature, your warnings, and all that. Then you can switch it around to your different audio, telephone, your vehicle status, and your driving data. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options and your skip and all that. Horn in the center, and then on the other side you got your cruise control with the volume up and down. Right over here we do have the controls over our turning signals, and then right in the center we do have this very nice touchscreen display. It looks awesome. So you have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as you do have your media tab right here if you have one hooked up through your CD, USB, SD card, Bluetooth, or aux cord. You got your phone options here and your voices right there. You also have your apps right over here, your sound, your car options, and then also your menu. You do also have your backup camera when you are in reverse, keeping you nice and safe. Volume and power here, and then your selector right over there. Down here we do have the controls over the heated seats, the AC. We also have our defrost, we have our circulation off, and our passenger heated seats. You have your climate control here, so your heat up and down. Then you do also have your power and your mode. Some storage just down there with a USB and aux cord plug-in. Gear shift is here. Then you do have your parking brake, your traction control, stop start, and then your mode selector there. You got some cup holders right there, and then you do have your armrest that doubles as a storage container. You got some room just in there. You also have some storage just over here in your glove box with your owner's manual, and then you also have your CD player right here with your SD card slot as well, hanging out right in there. Looks awesome. Up top here you do have the control over your lights, and then you do also have a sunglass holder. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got that same handle. You got your handle here, control of your windows, and some storage down here. Looks awesome in here as well. It is very spacious. Seats 5 people all together. You can fold this guy down here if you didn't have the person in the middle, and you got an armrest with some cup holders, and these seats do fold forward as I showed you earlier. There's our 2-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan Trendline. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.